All right. The next ones you did were the computations from your circle graph, and you want to think of the formula as being the percent times the total to equal the part. Sometimes it says what is the total, and sometimes it says how much did I spend on these 2 or 3 items. So the circle graph shows how the annual budget for a company is divided by department. If the amount budgeted for support, sales, and media is $37,500,000, that's a big number, what is the total annual budget? So this is just part of my pie chart because it's only 3 of the things on the pie chart. So that $37,500,000 is over here. We can figure out the percent because we're going to add up the percents from our circle graph here. Support was 21%, sales is 24%, and media is 5%. So 21 plus 24 plus 5 gave you what percent?
50.
50%. So 50% as a decimal is?
0.50.
0.50. 0.50 times my total is equal to my part. And if I want to solve that for the total, then I end up having to do what with my 50%? Nope. Divide. This is showing multiplying, so if I'm going to solve this, I end up having to divide by that value, right? Because I got to move it to the other side. So the total of our entire pie chart, if I take 37,500,000 divided by 0.50, is 75 million. Right? The total of my pie chart should be bigger than the part I spent on those 3 things. I wish I had that much money.
So total is dividing.
So if it says find the total, you're going to end up dividing, yes, because we have to solve it. If it says find the part or find what I spent on these 3 things, then I end up multiplying. We'll get to one of those, I think. I guess I didn't read her questions, but I hope she put one in like that. In a poll, students were asked to choose which of 6 colors was their favorite. The circle graph shows how the student answered. 5,000 students participated in the poll, so that's all of them that there are. How many chose blue or purple? So 5,000 is my total. Percent times my total equals my part. And I want to find the part that just chose blue or purple. So how many, I like the way orange is spelled. How many chose blue? 27%. 13% chose purple. So 27 plus 13 was 40%. And the decimal for 40% was 0.4 or 0.40. So on this one where I'm just looking for the part, that's when I end up multiplying to solve it. 0.40 times 5,000 is 2,000. So 2,000 of them chose blue or purple out of the 5,000 that were polled. So 2 different ways you're going to see it, where either they ask for the total or ask for part of the circle. The third one then, the circle graph shows how the annual budget for a company is divided by department. The total annual budget is $125 million. What amount is budgeted? What amount is, that's got to be typed different. What amount is budgeted, it is probably supposed to say, for support and engineering combined. So again, this is my total. I have support and engineering, so support was 25%, engineering was 15%, so 25 plus 15 is 40% again. So 40% of my total 125 million is going to be the part that I spent on support and engineering. What's 40% of 125 million? 50 million? So 50 million is the part that I did for support and engineering. All right.